If only the world was a more peaceful place, we wouldn't need such high-level weapon masterpieces. Well, the world is burning, and thus every country wants these insane military technologies and vehicles. Let's check them out. Holmatro Door Blaster. The Holmatro Door Blaster, a name that sounds like something out of a futuristic action movie, right? Well, hold on to your seats, because this nifty piece of technology is as real as it gets, and it's making waves in the world of emergency services. So, what exactly is the Holmatro Door Blaster? Simply put, it's a tool designed to help rescue teams gain quick and efficient access to locked doors in emergency situations. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's like a superhero gadget for firefighters and other first responders. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, the door blaster works by exerting controlled force on the door, ultimately breaking through and allowing access. It's like the gentle giant of door opening, ensuring minimal damage while getting the job done. No more fumbling around with lock-picking tools or damaging doors beyond repair. This fantastic invention has found its way into emergency services around the world. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, and Australia have embraced the door blaster with open arms. The Dutch company Holmatro is the brains behind this remarkable creation, showcasing their innovative spirit and dedication to improving safety and rescue operations. While the Holmatro Door Blaster's primary purpose is to aid in emergencies, it also serves other valuable uses. For instance, it can be used during training exercises, allowing rescue personnel to practice door breaching techniques. Additionally, it can be employed by law enforcement agencies during forced entry operations, ensuring swift and efficient access when needed. And while this amazing tool has been used predominantly by emergency services, it did find its way into some special forces arsenals. Well, it seems everything can become a weapon these days. So, how about some weapons for our four-legged friends as well, eh? Canine Vision. If dogs with futuristic-looking goggles don't make you tremble with excitement, I don't know what will. The Canine Vision system is a marvel of technology that equips our four-legged buddies with goggles fitted with special cameras. These cameras capture real-time footage, enhancing a dog's vision and providing a unique perspective on the world. It's like doggy virtual reality. One that's a bit more sophisticated than Snoop Dogg's virtual reality that's enhanced by specific herbs. But how does this magical system work? Well, it's as simple as fetch. The cameras on the goggles transmit images to a handler's device, allowing them to see what their furry companion sees. It's a awesome collaboration between humans and dogs, turning our loyal companions into real-time surveillance experts. The Canine Vision system finds its home in various fields. Law enforcement agencies around the world have jumped on the doggy detective bandwagon, using this technology to assist in search and rescue missions, suspect tracking, and even sniffing out contraband. It's like having a super sleuth partner with a wet nose and wagging tail. This innovative creation has spread its paws across many countries, from the United States to the United Kingdom and Germany to Australia. Canine units worldwide don their goggles and sniff out clues. The technology itself is a global effort, with multiple countries contributing to its development. The main purpose of the Canine Vision system is to enhance the capabilities of our furry crime-fighting companions. It allows them to see in low-light conditions, detect hidden objects, and easily navigate challenging terrains. So, why is the Canine Vision system gaining popularity? It's all about efficiency and teamwork. By providing dogs with enhanced vision and sharing their perspective with handlers, it enables them to work together seamlessly. Plus, seeing our furry friends sporting goggles like trendy fashionistas is just downright adorable. But enough with the civilian and canine technologies. It's time to talk about real weapons. And there's no better place to start than the majestic Titan Lanius and Atmos. Elbit Systems Lanius and Elbit System Atmos. Technology continues to evolve rapidly, and defense systems are no exception. Elbit Systems, Lanius and Atmos are two shining stars in this domain. a powerful duo that promises to revolutionize modern warfare.
Lethal solution based on racing drones. The Lanius conducts GPS navigation.
With their innovative features and versatile applications, these technologies have captured the attention of militaries around the world. Lanius, an advanced intelligence system, serves as the digital brain behind the operation. Equipped with state-of-the-art algorithms and real-time data analysis capabilities, Lanius enhances situational awareness, allowing for swift decision-making on the battlefield. This intelligent system gathers information from multiple sources, including sensors, drones, and satellites, and provides commanders with a comprehensive view of the operational landscape. Complementing Lanius is Atmos, a cutting-edge artillery system that boasts superior precision and firepower. With its long-range capabilities, rapid deployment, and pinpoint accuracy, Atmos has become a game-changer for modern artillery operations. Its advanced munitions and autonomous targeting systems enable precise strikes, reducing collateral damage and maximizing operational effectiveness. These remarkable technologies, developed by Elbit Systems, have gained traction in various countries. Nations such as Israel have spearheaded their development and embraced Lanius and Atmos to bolster their defense capabilities. However, their reach extends far beyond Israel's borders, with several other countries adopting them as essential components of their military arsenals. The main purpose of Lanius and Atmos is to provide armed forces with a decisive advantage on the battlefield. Their integration offers commanders unparalleled control, enabling rapid response to changing situations and minimizing risks to troops. Moreover, these technologies promote greater efficiency, reducing the time required for target acquisition, artillery deployment, and mission execution. While their primary purpose lies in military applications, Lanius and Atmos also have secondary uses. Lanius's data analysis capabilities, for instance, can be employed in disaster response operations, helping authorities assess and manage crises effectively. Additionally, the precision and accuracy of Atmos make it a valuable tool for controlled demolitions or mining operations. And while Atmos and Lanius are predominantly defensive weapons, a war can only be won on the offensive. So, naturally, there are some way more advanced weapons to talk about. Drone Gun Tactical. Have you ever dreamt of being a sky-high sharpshooter, armed with an array of futuristic gadgets? Well, look no further. The Drone Gun Tactical is here to turn your airborne fantasies into reality. This cutting-edge technology packs a punch with its impressive features and endless possibilities. Imagine taking control of a compact, lightweight device that allows you to dominate the skies. The Drone Gun Tactical is designed to immobilize and disable drones effectively. With a sleek design reminiscent of a sci-fi movie, this weapon utilizes advanced radio frequency technology to disrupt the communication signals between a drone and its operator, rendering it harmless. This high-tech gadget isn't just for hobbyists playing drone tag in their backyards. It has found extensive use in various sectors, including law enforcement, defense, and security. Countries like the United States, China, and Israel are at the forefront of developing and implementing this technology. They have recognized its potential for countering unauthorized drone use in sensitive areas, safeguarding public safety and preventing potential security threats. The main purpose of the Drone Gun Tactical is to neutralize rogue drones, preventing them from causing harm or invading restricted airspace. Additionally, it serves as a valuable tool for protecting critical infrastructure, such as airports, government buildings, and military installations. If the Russo-Ukrainian war has taught us anything, it's that drones can be devastating. There's no better way to win the attrition war than baiting $200,000 rockets for destroying a $2,000 drone. So, such technology will be a great counter to the ever-increasing use of UAVs on the battlefield. I bet the Russians would love to get one of these bad boys, just like they would love to get their hands on the next technology on our list. M3 Amphibious Rig. The M3 Amphibious Rig, affectionately known as the Amphib among its fans, is a remarkable piece of technology that perfectly blends the land and water worlds. It's like the James Bond of military vehicles, capable of seamlessly transitioning from solid ground to aquatic adventures with the flick of a switch. If Batman had a car for the ocean, this would be it. So how does this aquatic wonder work its magic? Well, the M3 Amphibious Rig employs a set of retractable pontoons and a powerful propulsion system. When it's time to hit the water, the pontoons extend outward, providing stability and buoyancy. With a rumble of the engine, the Amphib gracefully glides through the waves, making it look easy. This versatile marvel finds its applications in various countries across the globe. The United States, the mastermind behind this ingenious creation, utilizes it to transport troops and equipment across bodies of water during military operations. Other countries like Germany, the United Kingdom, and Australia have also embraced Amphib's capabilities, recognizing its potential for amphibious assaults and swift logistics support. Besides its military roles, the M3 Amphibious Rig also serves civilian purposes. Its ability to traverse water bodies makes it invaluable for disaster relief operations, providing aid and supplies to areas affected by floods or natural calamities. It's like a floating superhero swooping in to save the day. I bet the boys storming Omaha Beach on D-Day would have loved to have this glorious display of power. Maybe the Germans would have run away at the mere sight of a fleet of M3 amphibious rigs. Alas, they didn't have such technology back then. It's marvelous that we have them today. What's even more surprising is that we have a technology like the one that's next on my list. M1150US. The M1150US is definitely the heavyweight champion of the military transportation world. This powerful beast is a multi-purpose vehicle that has captured the attention of countries around the globe. This massive fortress on wheels is a formidable vehicle designed for heavy-duty missions. With its robust build and muscular appearance, it's like the Arnold Schwarzenegger of military transport. This bad boy is equipped with advanced features like all-terrain capabilities, a hydraulically operated loading system, and a whopping payload capacity of up to 70 tons. It's like having a personal moving company on wheels. But how does this mechanical marvel actually function? Well, the M1150US relies on its mighty engine and hydraulic system to easily navigate rough terrains and load heavy equipment. It's like watching a superhero in action as it effortlessly lifts and transports massive cargo like tanks, artillery, and other military hardware. This impressive piece of machinery is not limited to one specific country. It has made its way into the arsenals of various nations. The United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, and Australia are among the countries that have recognized the M1150US's capabilities and put them to good use. They employ it for military logistics, transportation of heavy equipment during deployments, and even in construction projects. It's the go-to vehicle when you need to move mountains. Apart from its primary military functions, the M1150US has found applications in civilian sectors as well. Its exceptional load-carrying capacity and versatility make it an ideal choice for heavy construction projects and the transportation of oversized equipment. So if you happen to see M1150USs while driving down the road, be sure that this monster's operator probably hasn't even noticed you. Compared to it, your car is a mere ant. The only thing that this magnificent machine can't do is swim, which is understandable when you can carry up to 70 tons. That's why engineers had to find a different solution for maritime operations. Navy Landing Craft Air Cushion. Whoever thought adding a cushion to this leviathan was either a master of sarcasm or entirely misunderstood the word's etymology? The Navy Landing Craft Cushion, LSAC, is a remarkable vessel that combines a hovercraft's grace with a naval ship's power. creating a spectacle that will make your jaw drop. The LSAC boasts an impressive set of features that make it the envy of maritime technology. With its air cushion system, it glides smoothly across the water surface, defying the waves like a majestic dolphin. It's like having a magic carpet ride on the high seas. This high-speed hovercraft can transport personnel, vehicles, and equipment at mind-boggling speeds, ensuring swift deployments and resupplies during military operations. Wondering how this marvelous gadget actually works? Well, the ASAC uses a cushion of air, created by a massive propeller, to lift itself above the water surface, minimizing drag and maximizing efficiency. It's like surfing on a cloud, only way cooler. This technology allows the LSAC to maneuver effortlessly through shallow waters, marshy terrain, and even sandy beaches, making it a true master of amphibious operations. The use of the LSAC extends far beyond a single country's navy. The United States, the pioneering country behind this aquatic wonder, employs it for its military operations, providing rapid transport capabilities to its forces. In addition, countries like Australia and Japan have also embraced the LSAC's capabilities, recognizing its potential for rapid deployment and humanitarian assistance. Alas, there are still no cruises on this beast. Otherwise, I'd be the first to sip a martini while cruising at high speeds toward the next sunny beach. Who knows? Maybe they can even install an infinity pool, just to make it a bit more luxurious for me. As we talked about land and sea, it's time to see what special military equipment we have in the skies. The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator. If you ever wondered how you could make a helicopter more terrifying, just giving it the name Alligator won't do the trick. Well, except when they're actually talking about the Kamov Ka-52 Alligator, the daredevil of the helicopter world. This airborne acrobat combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology, making it the tank of the aviation town. The Ka-52 Alligator boasts an impressive array of features that make it a force to be reckoned with. With its coaxial rotor system and robust engines, it can gracefully dance through the skies like a nimble ballerina, if the ballerina was suited in armor and was armed to the teeth. The Ka-52 Alligator utilizes its twin rotor system to generate lift and maintain stability. Its advanced avionics and targeting systems give it exceptional combat capabilities, making it a fierce contender on the battlefield. It's like having a high-flying warrior that strikes fear into the hearts of its adversaries. It's heavily armored and can withstand up to 23mm caliber projectiles, while at the same time, it can continue flying with only one engine working. To top it all off, the Ka-52 Alligator is heavily armored with rocket launchers and machine guns. Russia, the country that crafted this flying marvel, primarily employs it for military purposes. The Ka-52 Alligator's combat prowess makes it a valuable asset in reconnaissance missions, close air support, and anti-tank operations. It's like having a secret weapon that hovers above the battlefield. It's no wonder that the Ukrainian soldiers celebrated like children on Christmas when they managed to down one single Ka-52 at the cost of many casualties. Apart from its military functions, the Ka-52 Alligator also serves other purposes. Its versatility and agility make it an excellent choice for search and rescue operations, ensuring that those in distress are brought to safety. It's like having a superhero with rotor blades swooping in to save the day. Yes, the Ka-52 is terrifying, but at least you can see and hear it. Our next entry doesn't give you such advantages. MTGR Micro-Tactical Ground Robot. The MTGR Micro-Tactical Ground Robot is the pin-sized hero of the robotic world. Don't let its small stature fool you. This little bot packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities. It's like having a tiny robotic sidekick ready to tackle any mission. The MTGR is a marvel of miniaturization, designed to navigate the most challenging terrains with ease. Equipped with all-terrain treads and advanced sensors, it can maneuver through tight spaces and rugged landscapes like a nimble ninja. It's like having a pocket-sized explorer that can go where others can't. The MTGR relies on its smart sensors and onboard processing power to detect and navigate obstacles. It can traverse uneven surfaces, climb stairs, and even squeeze through narrow gaps. It's like watching a little robot magician perform tricks right before your eyes. The United States, the ingenious country that brought this little wonder to life, employs it in military operations for reconnaissance and surveillance purposes. It's like having a miniature spy on the ground, gathering crucial information in the blink of an eye. Aside from its military functions, the MTGR serves various other purposes. It can be utilized in search and rescue missions, exploring hazardous environments without risking human lives. It's great at finding survivors after earthquakes, as it can maneuver to the cracks of collapsed buildings without endangering the survivors or the rescue teams. It's just like Ant-Man, but it doesn't need Paul Rudd to make it work. Still, minimalism is not for everyone. If you're on the other end of the spectrum, maybe our next entry will satisfy your needs. K300P Bastion P. Who would have thought that Belarus could produce anything more than a tractor? Yet here we are. And here is the K300P Bastion P, the most formidable coastal defense system. Now, why would Belarus, a landlocked country, need to invest its taxpayer money into a coastal defense system? That's a question only Alexander Lukashenko can answer, if you're brave enough to ask him. Regardless, the K300P Bastion P is a sight to behold. The Bastion P is primarily designed to protect coastlines from potential threats, and boy does it do a splendid job. Equipped with supersonic cruise missiles, it can engage targets with remarkable precision and speed. It's like a guardian mermaid armed with a devastating arsenal. This nifty system operates by using a combination of sensors, radars, and communication networks. It detects enemy vessels from afar, locks onto them, and launches missiles to intercept them before they can even see the shore. While many countries would love to get their hands on this beauty, guess whom the Belarusian leader sells them to? That's right, you've got it. The only countries equipped with the massive display of power are Russia, Syria, and Vietnam. The K300P Bastion P is like a suave secret agent lurking on the coastlines, ready to defend with style. With its cutting-edge features, precise functionality, and widespread use, it's no wonder this technological marvel is making waves in the military world. Still, it has a long way to go to have the impact that the most insane military technology has on the world. Caliber Mk4 and T7L3 Harris. Introducing the unstoppable force, Caliber Mk4 and T7L3 Harris. These formidable military technologies have surged onto the battlefield, leaving a lasting impact with their extraordinary features and functionality. First in line is Caliber Mk4, a fearsome laser system that reigns supreme in precision targeting and measurement. This compact yet powerful marvel is capable of accuracy gauging distances with unrivaled precision. No longer reliant on cumbersome tools or guesswork, Caliber Mk4 enables military units to swiftly assess targets and calculate precise coordinates, revolutionizing tactical operations. This is terrifying enough, but when the T7L3 Harris is added into the mix, things become downright mortifying. This advanced artificial intelligence software augments Caliber Mk4, providing real-time data processing and analysis. T7L3 Harris processes cutting-edge algorithms that rapidly interpret information from Caliber Mk4, delivering instant assessments, strategic calculations, and even generating 3D battlefield models. It's like having an astute military advisor in your pocket. Developed collaboratively by military powerhouses such as the United States, Germany, and Japan, Caliber Mk4 and T7L3 Harris have garnered global recognition. Countless countries have integrated these technologies into their armed forces, optimizing their combat capabilities. From covert operations to large-scale battles, Caliber Mk4 and T7L3 Harris have reshaped modern warfare, providing an undeniable edge on the battlefield. Their primary purpose is to enhance precision, efficiency, and combat effectiveness across military domains by minimizing human errors and dramatically reducing targeting and assessment times. These technologies have become essential assets on the front. Furthermore, they bolster situational awareness, allowing commanders to make informed decisions swiftly and decisively. It's one of the US's most formidable advantages on the battlefield. But it's far from being the only one. Care to learn more about the US military and why no one dares to mess with it? Click on the video to your left.